In this guide, I'm going to show you how to increase your PS5 download speed. Intro. For the fastest and most stable connection, connect an Ethernet cable directly from your router to the PS5. And when using Wi-Fi, you're going to want to go to Settings, Network, go down to the Settings tab here and press Set Up Internet Connection, then highlight your Wi-Fi network, press the Options button, and select Wi-Fi frequency bands. Make sure you choose 5 GHz if the PS5 is close to the router. Otherwise, use 2.4 GHz if it is further away or separated by several walls. Next, you can go ahead and restart your PS5 and then unplug your router for at least 5 minutes before reconnecting it. Pause streaming, downloads, or other high bandwidth activity on devices using the same network. And finally, you can go back to your network settings, go up to connection status, and test internet connection to check whether your download speed improves. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.